Okay then, barbecue lovers, check this out. This is my lovely rotisserie. It's a little device from AliExpress. So I've got some cherry wood in there. Ooh, good bit of heat on my lamb. This is shoulder, all cut into pieces, marinated, some homegrown garlic, just some herbs from the garden, bit of Pul Biber on there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the lid on and we're going to let the rotisserie do its magic, and we're going to catch this up maybe in half an hour. Okay, so this is just a very simple leg of lamb or shoulder of lamb that you can take, herbs and spices from the garden, bit of garlic, bit of salt, blitz them all up so they're nice and fine, bone out your leg or your shoulder. This one was actually partly done for me. I'm going to rub my mix on. I've got some Pul Biber there, which is like a fermented pepper. It's slightly hot. It's really nice actually. It's Turkish in origin. So rub it all on. I've cut it a bit more because what I'm then going to do is I'm going to put it straight on the skewer, which actually seemed a lot easier. So almost like a doner, but it's going to be a horizontal doner effectively. So there's my meat all skewered, all nice. It's a little bit rough, but that's okay. If you wanted, of course you can make it look very neat, but the pieces going to be fine then to hold on. Hey, so it's half an hour later. Barbecue's running at 175C. Let's have a little look, just gently. Oh wow, that looks absolutely incredible. Oh, it's just a nice sizzle. Oh man, that looks good. That really does look good. It's got a bit of a crispiness on the outside. It's not done yet, definitely, but wow, that does look something else. So we'll give it a bit more time. I think there's plenty of heat still, and actually we want it to be a little bit slow, don't we? So yeah, put the lid back on, give it another half an hour. So we're back again. So we've had another half an hour, and we'll have a look. Steady temperature 175. Oh, look at that. So it's looking moist and juicy. Ooh, very nice. Now then, I'm just wondering what's my internal temperature. I have to switch this off to do that. Let's give it a go. Let's see. So a bit of a skewer in. 58, 60, 61. Okay, that's not bad. So that's 61. Let's try here. 60, 71. So in the middle here. Try this bit. 68, 70. I mean that's temperature cooked. I think we're really there actually. I think we're going to go with that. We're going to see how it comes out. But wow, I don't mind if it's a bit pink anyway. But that's looking incredible. Okay then people, so there you go. So about an hour and 20, and it's looking pretty incredible. I get a picture when I cut in, but oh, also smells really good. So there you go, roasted lamb on a rotisserie. So there we go people. That lamb is just nicely cooked. My marinade's not burned, and there's a bit of char on each piece on the edge, so it's that looks absolutely incredible. So barbecued rotisserie lamb. So with this lamb we had a really nice tomato mozzarella with olives and a bit of red onion, a bit of salad from the garden, some pita breads with sesame that I'd made, some ayran. So it was a really nice meal, easy to make actually. See, really balanced as well with all food groups.